They told me it was impossible, that once the HOA started building, there was nothing I could do. But when I drove past my property and saw foundation after foundation rising homes that weren't mine built on land I had owned for decades, a surge of disbelief and fury hit me so hard it shook me to my core. Every brick, every beam felt like a personal violation, and I knew I had to act before it was too late. I began by meticulously researching property records, deeds, and HOA bylaws, uncovering a cascade of procedural errors and oversights that they had assumed would protect them. And I quietly approached neighbors who had witnessed the construction, listening to their fears and validating their doubts, realizing I wasn't alone in this fight. With evidence in hand, I filed formal complaints and demanded an injunction, preparing for the long, grueling legal battle that lay ahead. And when the board tried to intimidate me with letters threatening lawsuits and penalties, I responded with facts, legal precedent, and calm determination that left them visibly shaken. Day after day, I attended hearings, faced smug attorneys, and rehearsed statements. And each time I spoke, my voice carried the weight of truth, the certainty of rightful ownership, and the unyielding resolve of someone who refuses to be silenced. Slowly, the momentum shifted. Witnesses I had encouraged came forward. Neighbors who had whispered doubts behind closed doors now voiced their support openly, and the court began to acknowledge the HOA's overreach. When the final ruling came, it was breathtaking: construction halted, fines reversed, and most importantly, the deed to my property, which had been temporarily jeopardized, was fully secured under my name, a legal triumph that reaffirmed my faith in justice and the power of perseverance. As I walked across my land, the unfinished homes looming like ghosts of what could have been, I felt a mix of relief, vindication, and quiet gratitude for the strength I hadn't realized I possessed until it was tested. And now, as I share this story with you, I leave a small, almost secret plea. If my journey stirred even a flicker of courage, if it made your heart race or your mind sharpen, please like this video not as a mere click, but as an acknowledgement that sometimes standing up is the most extraordinary act we can commit. The lesson I carry, etched deep within me, is that life often challenges us with seemingly insurmountable obstacles, not to break us, but to reveal the boundless resilience we hold inside, to show that courage isn't the absence of fear, but the deliberate choice to act despite it. And in choosing to confront injustice, to defend what is right, we discover a strength so profound, so transformative, that every threat, every intimidation, every obstacle becomes fuel for growth, a testament to the human spirit, and a reminder that integrity, persistence, and unwavering faith in truth can not only protect what we love, but inspire others to reclaim their own power, leaving ripples that extend far beyond the borders of our own lives, shaping communities, hearts, and the world in ways we never imagined possible.